So, let's draw a very recent one today. Hana Makeup of Fire. The makeup primer is an orange cream. Add a little moisturizing spray. The whole base makeup will be very comfortable in a while. For the red bag, we will use olive green. The effective covering will be better. Just use the plane of the brush to gently break it apart. And then a dark position like the corner of the mouth, we will adjust it with pink orange. It needs to be better integrated with the skin. You see this dull corner of the mouth? It will be brighter than china all of a sudden. Choose the liquid foundation that suits your skin type. I prefer this one. It's lighter. Thinner makeup. Put on half a face. Then pat the brush mark with a puff. This base makeup looks pretty clear. The base makeup is ready. Let's apply a little lip oil. Now use beige paste. Brightening the tip and bridge of our nose. And above the forehead. Front corner of eye. Slap it away before he kills it. Now I still use a grooming pen to depict us. The skeletal feel of the nose. If the nose is round, draw a miniature here. The point is where it takes root. Be sure to connect to the eye socket. Now pat it open with a brush. Fix the silhouette. Draw a triangle at the top of the cheekbone. Where the mandibular angle protrudes, we will apply it to him. The spots should not go beyond the bottom of the corners of our eyes. Try to pat it in the direction of the hair. In this way, it will be very natural to set it up. Now let's use a plant puff to set the makeup. Small amount and multiple extraction of powder. Or do you do it for a matte finish? Like these natural highlights above the nose. We cannot top. It can also avoid traces of card powder. Now we use this brown one from the eyeshadow disc. Use this eyeshadow instead of eyebrow powder. First, put the middle of our eyebrows. Fill in the vacancy. The entire line is larger than, straighter, more air-like. Reuse eyebrow pencil. Go and leave our hair to replenish. The whole eyebrow shape is a bit like the comparison pen of the sword eyebrow. Straight feeling. Brush a little eyebrow glue to add a little pore feel. If there is no eyebrow carving, you can use that one. Broken hair organizer. Now we use one. Very delicate beige pearlescent. Apply to the first half of our eyelids first. Remember, it must be very delicate. You see after painting. In fact, double eyelids will be more obvious. Now we're going back to egg brown. Slowly smudge from the back to the middle. Just paint the middle. Keep the highlights for it. Lift the position of the eyeliner up slightly. Can't use this brown. The color is tightly attached to the root of the eyelashes. Gently deepen the second half of the lower eyelid, and the corners of the eyes are slightly deepened. Now we dip this black and brown with a detail brush. Ready to draw eyeliner. Before eyeliner, we can put a double eyelid sticker on him. Raise the end of the eye a little bit. Put the end of the eye first. Lift it up at a 45-degree angle diagonally. Tick it back again. Attach directly above our eyeballs. Then let's lower the eyelash root. All departments deepen. Use eyeliner to draw it again. Just draw an eyeliner draft. Lighter, lightly draw our stage shadows. Key points plus the eyeball and chin. Off-white and pure white eyeshadow to brighten agio saliva. And a little bit of pearlescent in the middle. Put the corner of our eyes in front of this very delicate highlights. Just highlight that. Put our eyelash curlers up. First brush a layer of more natural eyelash agent cream. Put on false eyelashes again. Lower eyelash sticker. We can only see it like this. Day is done. Now let's draw the mouth. As usual, let's still use lip liner. Draw a small U on our makeup. The corners of the mouth are raised slightly. then the lower lip should be slightly thickened. Everyone should be based on themselves. Adjust the situation of the lips. We're looking for one of these light pink blushes. Put the lips we just painted. The lines give it blurry lines. The lip line deepened in this way will be more natural. This matte lip puree. We're going to start with the bottom lip. If your mouth is dry, you pat and color gently like me. A small amount of multiple stacks until you think this color is satisfactory. Although we paint the color of this honeydew melon, start with our cheekbones. From the cheek to the bridge of the nose. Also from under the nose. We're still going to use this piece. More delicate highlights. Gently brighten the nose. And the broken bridge of the nose.